Create a 10-minute YouTube video about the history of the ancient pyramids. The video should include storytelling and key points. The overall vibe of the video should be mysterious and educational. The aim of the video is to help people learn more about the pyramids with a good video. The voiceover should be a male British accent with dynamic pacing and use simple wording style. Add a lot of stock footage and add ominous music. That's all you need to do. No more spending hours writing scripts, no more editing videos, no more searching for background music, and no more recording voiceovers. And boom, we have our entire 10-minute video finished in seconds. Let's see how it turned out.
These colossal structures, standing tall and proud against the backdrop of the vast desert.
Like I said before, this is basically the ChatGPT of video editing, and if I had access to this in high school, I would have probably aced every presentation. The voice makes it feel like we're in a National Geographic show, and the background footage is super relevant to what I'm talking about. But we just made ours in seconds. And let's just say that we don't like one of the scenes in the video. You see this magic box below the video? Well, we can just tell it what we want changed, and let's actually challenge their AI a little bit here. Why don't we tell it to change this scene to a drone shot with pyramids in the desert, and let's see what it can do. See what I'm telling you? Normally we would need to go in and script all this out, hunt down our own footage, and edit it all together, but InVideo takes care of all of it. Now, hold on, we're not done yet. Let's say that you weren't super happy with the script, specifically the hook, especially since that's one of the most important parts of our video and where a lot of viewers will decide whether or not they're gonna stick around and watch or not. Well, we can just click Edit Script, and now the entire AI generated script pops up for us to make changes. So let's say I want to change the opening sentence to something more intriguing that sounds like this. Wow, I'm honestly so impressed, and this feels way more engaging than my 6th grade history teacher, Mrs. Albertson. You can also change the entire mood of the video in 10 seconds. Let's say that you want to make this more upbeat and fun instead of ominous and interesting. Just click Create New in the upper right. Now click this button and enter the time, so 10 minutes. Then add your info and the style of the video you want. So I'm gonna tell it to be funny and to use a Southern American accent. Let's see what it comes up with. Geez, I'm honestly scared watching this because this is gonna end up replacing a lot of informational YouTube channels. So once you're happy, just click export and remove the watermarks so that the video is nice and clean. Now, we just need to upload it to YouTube and add the title and the thumbnail that we created earlier. In less than 10 minutes, we can create videos like this and post as often as you want. For anyone who's been considering getting onto YouTube, now you really have no excuse not to give it a shot. The barrier of entry has become so easy that even the laziest people on earth could do it. And I actually took this a step further to prove it to you. If you want to see a detailed explanation of exactly how I did that, then make sure you're subscribed because I'll be sharing all the juicy details of that story later this month. As always, I appreciate you all, and we'll talk soon, guys.